Hi Ravikant, good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. Tell me about yourself and your education background first.
Yes, sir. My name is Ravikant Tarare, and I'm from Bhandara city in Maharashtra. And I
Okay,
have completed my graduation in 2023 from SBJN Institute, Nagpur. And
okay,
yes, and currently I'm learning full stack means front end part I have completed and starting back end part.
okay. So since 2023, any experience or still
Uh,
you are looking for
yes, sir.
jobs?
I have completed my graduation in electrical engineering. So I
Okay,
was working, yes, in electrical background.
okay, electrical background. You want to switch to
Yes,
the
yes,
computer science background.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's good. So, tell me about academic and professional project. Have you built any? Any personal project have you built?
In full stack, sir.
In anything, front end and
Content, yes, sir.
HTML.
I have built expense tracker which helps people to manage their expenses where they spend their
Mhm.
daily income and expenses. So they
So,
can add their money like their expenses or income in that application,
okay,
and yes, and it gets added to the total income if they are adding as a income, and if they are adding as a expense, then it will add it to the total expenses. And they can also set daily monthly limit, like if they set 5,000 rupees per month, then if
Mhm.
they overspend more than 5,000, then it shows like you have overspent this much money.
Okay. Which technology are you using that application?
For that, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But now I am thinking to use build that application with React and add some
Okay.
backend part also. Yes.
Okay, you want to modify or upgrade that application in future. Okay, that's good. Actually, okay, then we will start with HTML, CSS first. Then we will move to JavaScript. If you are comfortable, we can. I can ask you some React JS also. Is it
Okay, sir.
okay? Okay, fine. Let me start with HTML first. So what is the HTML and why do we use it?
So HTML is a hypertext markup language. We use
Mm-hmm.
it to structure our website. Like when we want to
Mm-hmm.
add anything like text,
Mm-hmm.
we add it like inside the box like structure. Anything we
Okay.
add in HTML, it is like a box like structure.
Okay, for
Yes.
creating the web page.
Yes.
Okay. So what's the difference between block level and inline element?
So inline level element is like it starts from the same line, and
Hmm.
we cannot assign the properties like say means height and width. We cannot directly assign it to the inline element.
Okay.
And in block line, also in inline element, we means margin and padding doesn't work in vertical direction. It only works in horizontal direction. But in block line elements,
Hmm.
margin and padding works in all the directions, and height, like height and width also can be set. And it takes always starts with a new line. It doesn't start with a horizontal, means same line where the
Same
space is
line.
left. Yes.
Any example?
In example, like heading tags, paragraph tags, division tags are
Hmm.
block elements.
And inline?
And inline like span elements.
Okay, got it. What are the semantic HTML tag? Any example and
Semantic
definition?
is like semantic HTMLs are used to for search engine optimization,
Hmm.
like articles, footer, nav. This type of tags are semantic tags.
Okay. So okay, that's good. Have you worked in HTML form?
Yes, I have worked with HTML
Uh,
form
why do we use them?
to means to store data, to validate data.
Okay, for
Yes.
user input and like this, no?
User input, and yes.
And the difference between ID and classes?
ID and classes. ID generally we use ID it is unique. We provide ID as a unique name, and
Hmm.
classes we can use classes multiple classes means one class name we can assign to the many elements, and
Okay,
ID is
okay,
unique. In single page we use only unique ID.
okay, got it. Yeah, your HTML knowledge is good. Okay. Okay, so we move to the CSS and meanwhile, can you share your screen and give me one example how to write a form and one user input and button also. Please write it down. So I need to check are you able to do it to create a form or not? Just share.
Inside HTML, sir.
HTML. I just want to know how to write it form and input box and buttons. So I need to
Okay, in
check. Any JS editor you can open like JS
or sir
editor dot
VS
I.
Code I can open VS Code also.
Okay, okay, VS Code is absolutely fine.
Yes, sir. My
Sometime,
screen is visible.
yeah, it's visible. Actually,
Okay.
sometime the person is not able to uh, work on VS Code in live interview. That's why I am not
Right.
suggesting. But right now, you can open it VS Code if it is comfortable to you.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
This is like for
For input.
ID.
Mhm.
Yes. For input text only. Means we can enter here number also.
Mhm. Correct. Why you
So
use label? Uh, why you
label
use
means
label?
it. What's a label, na sir?
Label. Why you use?
It's to uniquely identify the name. If we are giving name for that means we write input name or your surname, then it should be uniquely it identifies that it is belong to that particular input box.
So we can use placeholder also if we are not able to do it.
Yes, sir. We can use placeholder
Mm,
here.
no problem, no problem. I just want to know why you use.
Yes, we
Mm-hmm.
don't need to write this.
Yeah, that in that case, it's
Yeah.
totally depend of the designer what they
Yes,
design
sir.
look like. Okay, that's good. Okay, so start with CSS and what is the CSS and why do we use it?
CSS, sir, we use it is full like CSS full form is cascading style sheet, and we use it to style our web pages. Like HTML only provides structural part; it doesn't style website properly. So that's why we
Okay,
use to color and styling things. All the things we do with CSS.
okay, okay, got it. What's the difference between inline and internal and external CSS?
Okay. In external CSS, we create a separate file for the CSS,
Mm-hmm.
and we yes,
Okay,
and
what?
inline CSS we use inside means inside the tag we write CSS part in inline CSS, and document level CSS we use a style tag to write our CSS inside HTML file only.
Okay, so have you used Pixel?
Pixel CSS.
Sometime you give Pixel. So what does it mean? So I want to know the difference between rem, percent, and pixel.
Yes, sir. Percent means if we have division tag, and inside we have given suppose 200 pixels, and inside the division box we have another division box,
Mm-hmm.
and we are giving means 50% of width, then it will take 50% of that 200 pixels of
Okay.
parent. Yes.
Okay. What about rem? Have you used?
REM. I generally use pixels, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes,
Pixel and percentage is generally used for
percentage.
CSS
Yes.
unit. Okay, then we can start with JavaScript. So first question is like same. What is JavaScript and why do we use it?
JavaScript is a programming language, and
Mm-hmm.
with HTML and CSS, we cannot add functionality to the web pages. So to add
Mm-hmm.
functionality and interactivity to the web pages, we use JavaScript. Like on clicking a button, what activities will do, means submit
Okay,
form and anything, any functionality we add with JavaScript.
okay, got it. And the difference between let, where, and const?
Late, where, and const. These are like keywords to declare a variable. So late, when we declare variable with late,
Mm-hmm.
we cannot means we can, yes, we can update the value of variable with late, but with
Mm-hmm.
const we cannot update the value of variable once we declare it.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, declaration with late we can
Mm-hmm.
declare only without assigning any value to the variable. With let we can declare it, but in case of const we have to
Mm-hmm.
declare and assign the value at the same time. And
Okay.
redeclaration is not allowed in both the cases, like in let and const.
Okay.
And
In let,
yes,
you can
and
reassign.
uh, reassign, no sir, reassigning is yes, we can reassign the
Mm-hmm.
value in case
Yes.
of late, in case of late only.
Only that.
And yes, and where is like similar to the late, but
Mhm.
redeclaration is also allowed in where.
Okay. Actually, where is functional scope and other two is block scope.
Yes, so block scope.
Yes. What about hosting? Which one has having hosting? Which one having not hosted? Hosting.
Sorry
Have
sir.
you knowledge? Have you know hosting?
Yes sir, a little bit of hosting, yes I have.
Which one is using hosting? Which one is not using hosting? Let, where, and cost.
Where uses hosting, sir.
Okay. Actually,
Yes.
all three are using hosting, and where using simple hosting, and let and const is using temporal dead zone
Okay.
hosting. Okay, no problem. That is more high level
Yes,
to the
I will
fresher.
explore more about it, sir,
Ah,
after the interview.
this is high more level to the
Yes, yes.
fresher. What are the array in JavaScript? Any example you have?
Array example, like we can store any. It's like a variable. We can means we can
Mhm.
store multiple values inside array, like
Can you
numbers,
can
strings,
you write
anything.
some example? Can you write some example in your screen?
Yes, sir. In array, if I write,
Mhm.
I think I have to write it in JavaScript file. Should I
No,
write here
no.
only?
So that you can write it. I just want to
Okay.
know how to write it.
Okay. Suppose one, two.
Mhm.
I am writing in a string format, sir.
Okay, got it.
Like this, we can write anything, or
Mhm,
we
correct.
can write means
Mhm.
ABCD in the same array.
That is correct. Yeah, correct.
Yes.
And next question is, what's the difference between double is equal to and triple is equal to?
Yes. Double is equal to means we call it generally loose equality, and triple equals to we call it strict equality. So double
Mhm.
equals to compares only values. It doesn't compare data types. But triple equals to compares both data types and values. Suppose we have five, double equals to and then string inside inverted commas. Five is equals is equals to inside inverted commas five. So it will return true. But in case of triple equals to, it will return false,
Yes,
as
that's
types are different. And double equals to uses type coercion, means it converts the type to the same if the type are different, and then it shows true or false.
yeah, that's correct. That's correct. And how do you write a function in JavaScript? Can you give me some example?
Function, actually we mainly we write in three ways. Like function declaration means we
Mm-hmm.
write function with a name, and
Mm-hmm.
function, yes, should I write here?
You can write it.
Yes.
If you want, you can create one JS file if it if you are comfortable.
I can
Mhm.
use online editor
No,
also.
no, you can create just new file created and test.js. Okay, that's good. That's good. I'll write it here.
Function and any name of function,
Mm-hmm.
suppose run.
Mm-hmm.
Then here we write any code, whatever we want to write.
Okay, that is one method. What about
Function
second?
declaration.
Uh, yeah, you are saying
Another
three.
method we can
Mm-hmm.
means assign the function to the variable, like
Mm-hmm.
variable
Mm-hmm.
is equal to
Mm-hmm.
a function. Here, here we don't need to write a name of function, or we can write also, but it is also okay.
Okay, what about third one?
Third one, arrow function, sir. We can write it in arrow
Yes,
function.
correct, correct. With an arrow
Sorry,
function you can use. No
that's
problem. Okay, and
uh, yes.
oh, what is DOM?
DOM is like HTML structure. Means it represents the whole HTML structure that we see in our UI browser.
Okay,
Yes.
and have you knowledge about BOM?
Sorry, sir, couldn't hear you.
BOM, BOM.
Uh, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. How do you change HTML content using JavaScript?
Using JavaScript. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
suppose we have, I will give you example.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose we have a division tag,
Mm-hmm.
any name
Mm-hmm.
with suppose I am giving ID,
Okay.
name,
Mm-hmm.
then we mm, get element by ID.
Mm-hmm. Document dot get element back.
Sorry, sir.
No problem.
Document dot get element by ID, and we give here that ID
Hmm.
name.
Correct, correct. Okay. ID name dot inner HTML.
No, sir. Dot for we use for class dot.
Okay. Okay. Okay, got it.
I think should be
So,
like this.
okay, start with the logical question.
Okay.
If you want, you can open any JS editor, or if you want, you can import index.js file in HTML file first. So it's logical question, you can write it there.
Uh,
Anything you can do.
yes, sir. I will write here.
Okay, no problem. Open it any editor.
Okay. JavaScript. Okay.
Okay, cool. So write a program to print number from 5 to 10.
From 5 to 10. Okay.
Mhm. It's a simple one I asked first.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Please working.
Hmm. Then start with next one. Uh, please write any number in array, random number, 5 to 6 random number. I want to know the odd number only.
Sorry, sir. Couldn't
Uh,
understand properly.
okay, you need to write an array. any random number,
Okay.
5 to 6 random number,
Okay.
and
Okay. Okay.
just filter it out to odd number,
Odd
odd or
numbers.
even.
Okay.
Hmm.
Any array.
Hmm.
Six. Only odd numbers, sir. Okay.
Only odd number I want. Hmm.
Filter number.
Module by two.
Sir, syntax issue, I think.
No, module percentage two, not is equal to zero. Percentage, after percentage, you can write two, not
Okay,
two.
sir.
Okay, not equal to zero.
Yes.
Okay,
Tool
okay.
run successfully.
You
I
need to
will
console
assign.
it, assign some.
Yes. I'm sorry.
It's a
False
false
true.
true. Console whole filter. Okay, no problem. I know you have a knowledge how to do it. I want to know how to change the color of web page. Web page using JavaScript.
Using JavaScript,
Mhm.
we have to use class list dot style. Then we can change the color.
Mm, no, it's look like document dot body dot style dot background color like this. In JavaScript, I'm not saying ki
Yes.
you can use class and ID. In JavaScript, we can use like document dot body dot style dot background is equal to red.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. And the same question, one more logical question I want to know. Ki if you have any array, I want to know second highest digit. For example, in your case, I want to
Okay.
six to print. Uh,
Six to print. Okay. Second highest number.
second
Okay.
highest number.
Yes, I can do this.
Hmm.
Sort. Second highest for. I think it should run console.
Put it on also.
Yes, sir. It is printing second highest.
Yes, correct. Okay, so logically is also good. And so we can move to the React part now.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So what are the features of React?
Features of React: JSX component-based design, hot module reloading,
Hmm.
one-directional data flow.
Okay.
These are the
Okay.
features of.
Okay. And what is JSX?
JSX is JavaScript XML. It is syntax extension for JavaScript.
So we cannot do
And
it code on without JSX.
in React, we use JSX mostly. Yes, JSX. Where
Can
logical code and structural code we write in the same
no no.
file.
I want to know, can we write code without JSX in React?
Without, yes, we can write
But the syntax is very complex.
React. Yes.
Yes, correct. What is the component in React?
Component in JSX, component is like a function
Hmm.
where we write code once and use multiple times. But component is name is always start with the capital letter. Suppose we have cards. Suppose we have about page and there about cards, five about
Hmm.
cards. So in Java, in HTML, normal, we write that code five times if we have five cards. But in
Hmm.
React, we write only code once, and we can use like map function to uh, map function, or also we can write that component five times. And we don't need to write all the codes again and again. So we write only once.
Okay, that's correct. And you said function. So what's the difference between functional component and class component?
Functional component and class component, sir. I only use normal
Function
function.
is.
I did not explore
Mhm.
about class function. But
Even
yes, I
class.
will explore about it. I will explore about it after the interview.
No problem. Even class component is going to be depreciate in next 1 or 2 years. As of now, React is also recommended to work with the class functional component. Okay, what about virtual DOM and how is it differ from the real DOM?
Uh, Virtual DOM is like it is a copy of real DOM. It is copy of real DOM, yes, sir.
So
And while
why?
we'll,
Hmm.
uh, yes, yes, I'm explaining, sir. In
Okay.
React, what it does when we make any changes directly to the real DOM, it
Hmm.
refreshes all the page and all the components get re-renders. But in case of real DOM, it first compares what part has changed, and it updates only the part that has changed. It does not re-render all the components with the help of diffing algorithm and reconciliation process. So it is a
Okay.
bit faster process with a real DOM. Sorry, sir, with
Yeah.
virtual DOM, it is faster, yes, as it doesn't re-renders
Mhm.
all the components.
For the next one is what are the props in React.js?
Props are like read-only inputs that we pass from parent component to the child component, and we cannot child component cannot manipulate it. It means we cannot change the prop child component. Yes.
Okay. What is use effect?
Use effect is like when we want, suppose we are, if I give you example, like we are filling a form,
Mhm.
means we are writing any form, and means we are typing anything in the input box, and we are suppose showing that outside, means we want any use effect when we write anything. Or generally, use effect contains two. First is code, and second one is what we say dependency array. So,
Better.
in whatever value we pass in dependency array, when that dependency array value changes, then that use effect code runs generally.
So have you know the life cycle methods?
Uh, no, sir, I did not know
Mhm.
it, but yes, I'll explore
Uh,
about it.
okay. Within use effect, you can use all three life cycle, mounting, unmounting, and updating. All three phase we can use in use effect. Have you used React router?
React router.
Yeah, React router have you used?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. I have
Which
used it.
which version you are using as of now?
Uh,
Six,
exactly version, sir.
6 or 7?
Version I
Actually,
don't know, sir. Exactly. I did not
React
check the
router,
version.
you work
React router. Yes, sir.
React router DOM.
No, sir. I'm using React router only.
Okay, so you are in correct current version. You can because of React router DOM is on the previous versions. So everything is right now is work in React router itself. So what is it, React router?
React router is for route means routing means navigating from one page to another page. Like there is only a single HTML page, but we
Hmm.
uh, we can re-render another component with the help of routing. Like we have in the navbar,
Hmm.
we have three like home page, about page. Then we can use routing there also.
Okay, that's correct. That's
Yeah.
correct. So have you used context API?
Uh, Context API.
Context API in React.
No, sir, I'm not familiar with the APIs still now. I'm exploring more about it.
Okay, context API is a state management tool in React, like Redux. Even you don't have any knowledge in Redux, correct? I think you need to,
Sir,
uh,
I think there is a network issue at my side.
okay,
Now
you
clear, sir. Now audible.
now it's audible now. You can stop presenting your
Yes.
screen. I think that will also taking a lot of internet. Okay, so the context, what we are saying, ki context API is like a work as a Redux. Redux is an external management, external library to manage the state, and context API is a part of React itself to manage the state. Okay, no problem. You don't have a knowledge the context API as well as Redux, correct?
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
okay, no problem. What is the conditional rendering in React?
Conditional rendering means we apply condition for any component rendering. Just like we have,
Mhm.
suppose in a page we have two components. Means suppose we have a form, like we have a hackathon hosting website, and we have a form to host a hackathon. Suppose
Okay.
we have two options, like we have two buttons in a form, in a page, like fill a form, and
Mhm.
to fill a form we will click left side button, and in the right side we have view hackathons, like that. So we
Mhm.
after filling, if the if we click on view hackathons, then we will apply some conditions, like if
Mhm.
view hackathons is true, then it will show that hackathons view hackathon page, view hackathon component, and if it is false, it will show that first form. So we can use conditional rendering here also.
And okay, that's correct.
Again, we use in the navbar also, sir, like horizontal like or some background color to the open page, like home page is open, then we put some background color also there. So there also we use conditional rendering.
Yes. What about fragment? Have you used fragment?
Yes, sir. In JSX is
Mhm.
all the code is written inside that fragment, JSX fragment.
Why you use fragment?
Why we use
Mhm. If we have
fragments?
div, h1 tag, all are, so what's the benefit
Uh,
to use fragment?
Benefit is, sir, like division tag and any other tag takes some space in memory, but fragment tag doesn't take any space. That's why it is little bit
Co-
faster.
Correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
no, absolutely correct. So what are the purpose to use hooks?
Hooks are like special function in React that
Hmm.
allow us to use various features of React, like
Hmm.
state. I only work with state for now.
Okay, use state only. Your work is a use state only. What about
Yes, yes.
any other hooks you don't use?
No, sir. I
Hmm.
till now I have used state and state use and use effect.
Okay,
I'm
that's no
exploring that.
problem.
Yes.
No problem. You need to explore more in React and Redux. Both are very useful. Your knowledge
Yes.
about okay, interview is done now. I'm just giving you your feedback as of now. For term of HTML, you have good knowledge in HTML, and for CSS, you need to explore some practical example on CSS also. Otherwise, you have also having a very good knowledge in CSS. For talking about JavaScript, JavaScript is fine for you. But just revise some more typical code like advanced JavaScript only. Even I am not asking you the more advanced like closure related things you need to explore and encapsulation like these things you need to explore. As a fresher, JavaScript knowledge is good for according to me, it's good to you. And React you need to learn React and explore React more in React 19 is very much more about in React. The hooks are right now hooks are play very important role. More than 40 hooks are as of now we have. So you need to explore everyone. So, on the term of React, you need to work on React Context API and Redux. After that, you can apply any job, any external job, and anything. But before applying any job, just brush up your React and Redux concept.
Okay.
Okay, okay, that is
Okay.
the only feedback I have. Even I have created Redux and React a whole playlist in my channel itself. You can explore over there. I took it as a job-oriented course, no problem. You can explore it. Okay, meanwhile, everything is good. As a person, you are also nice. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ravikant, for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It was nice connecting with you.
Actually, I have around 12 plus year experience. I took more than 5,000 interview in my
Okay.
career. So I know that person when I talk with someone. So I know it how he knows how which type of question I need to ask to him. Even sometime interviewer getting some embarrassment. Why don't you use it? Why if you don't know this, why you appear in this interview? These things I don't like it actually. That is decrease the moral of the employer itself. If he know he don't if he knows something, if he don't know something, so don't demoralize. So that is not the bad. This is the bad things for me as well as you itself. So so interview is just like a fun between the candidate and interviewers. So then it is the most important part for the interview. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
just practice React and Redux. Everything looks good. Thank you, Ravikant, for joining.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye bye.